Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're going to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages we should have our hotspot toggle, so let's see if I can find it. Oh, it's right over here. So it looks like this. Now once you see this toggle, this is the default locations of them, so on your phone it might be on the same exact place. So once you see this toggle, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to navigate here is because under the hotspot password, when you click on it, you can see that we have some kind of completely randomly generated password. I recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Now because this won't be used permanently, you won't have it on all the time, I would recommend probably setting up some kind of easy password, as once you're done using it, you can turn off the hotspot, unlike something like your Wi-Fi, which typically be on permanently, and with a simple password, people might just guess it and connect to your network. Anyway, another thing in here will be things like the speed and compatibility. We have 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. If you want, you can select 5. This will give you a faster and more stable connection, but 2.4 is what could be considered more of a compatibility mode, working with the widest array of devices. 5 gigahertz network will only be visible to devices that support this kind of signal. So older devices that don't support it will not see your hotspot at all. And we also have another option, turn off hotspot automatically. I recommend keeping this option on. This means that once you're done using your hotspot, after like 5 minutes of inactivity or 10, the device will just turn off the hotspot for you. Now talking about turning it on, let's find the toggle once more, and this time around just tap on it to turn it on whenever you want to. And like I mentioned, when you're not using the hotspot, so right now there's nothing connected, it automatically starts a countdown of like, I believe 5 or 10 minutes, and then it will turn itself off automatically. And this is a good option as it will preserve my battery, and hotspot does consume more of it, so when you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. And alternatively, you can also turn it off yourself if you remembered about it by just tapping on the toggle once again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.